Hey, welcome to Save Club, where savings meets serious income potential. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to enroll in Save Club and secure your top spot in the power line matrix. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a referral link from a current Save Club affiliate. Once you've got that, click the link and fill out the quick form. Be sure to use your best email. This is how you'll stay connected to the system. Once you've submitted the form, congrats, you are now a pre-enrollee, which means you're temporarily positioned in the power line matrix. Now, as a pre-enrollee, remember, you can't earn commissions yet, and you won't have your own link, but your spot is reserved for now. As you see, there's going to be a timer, and you have until the cutoff time and date to pre-enroll. So make sure you do that so you don't lose position. To unlock the full system and start earning, it's time to become a Save Club member. Here's what you'll unlock when you upgrade. You'll unlock access to the exclusive discounts and savings, your own personal power line system, a referral link coded to you, and the ability to earn fast start bonuses and spillover commissions. To do that, you're going to see a Join Now button above. You want to click that. Once you click this, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to actually enter your info, create a username and a password. Make sure you write it down so you remember it. And then you want to fill out your payment information. Now, once you do that, then you will submit the payment. And basically to upgrade, it's $19.99 a month plus a one-time $60 setup fee. That's a total of $79.97 today and only $19.99 each month to stay active and eligible. Now, let's say something happened and you didn't upgrade right away and you clicked off this website. Don't worry, all you have to do is go to the email that you put in and you're gonna get an email confirmation from Save Club team. Click on it and open it. And at the very bottom of that email, there's going to be a link. Make sure you bookmark this email so you can save the link to allow you to log in and log out of your Save Club back office. Now, once you click this link, it's going to take you to a login page that gives you two options. One says member, and that's if you paid and created your username and password. The other one is pre-enrollee. That means you did not pay, you just enrolled for free. Put in the email that you use to pre-enroll, and then once you do that, all you have to do is press login now. It will take you back to where you started, and you can go and pay anytime you're ready. Now, here's the confusing part. Let's say you are a member and you actually paid, and you're like, how do I log into my back office? Well, when you do that all at one go, you're going to get 3 emails. The first one you're going to get is when you are a pre-enrollee. You want to get another one that's going to say congratulations on being a member of Save Club. And you're going to get a third one that says congratulations on making the decision to join Save Club as an affiliate. What you want to do is you want to go back to the very first confirmation email you got when you were an enrollee, and you want to click this Save Club link right here. Now, once you click that link, you'll come back to the login screen. And if you are a paid member, you do not want to click in pre-enrollee, because your email will no longer work because you have now been transferred to the member system with full back office, full perks, and full access. So you stay on member, and you're gonna have to enter the username and password that you put when you created your account. Now, once you have entered your username and password, click login now, and you're gonna now have full access to your Save Club back office. Now, the most important question that many people ask in this situation is, where is my link to refer people? Let me show you exactly how to use this and update this. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where it says My Websites. You want to click on My Websites, and then you're going to have 2 options. You're going to have one, which is a Save Club site, and you're going to have another one, which is the Powerline landing page. I highly recommend that you use the Powerline landing page. This tool captures your leads, keeps them in the system and automatically follows up with email. So this is what you would send to anyone else. It's going to have your website with your username. You copy this link and you send this to people that may be interested in joining you or enrolling with you. And this is a take a tour system. So again, they can go in there, they can take a tour, and they're going to have a cool little video to play, the same one you had to play. And the website will have your name on it as the referring affiliate. So that is how you can properly use and become a member of Save Club and use the referral links to now get you referrals and increase your income inside the Powerline system. Now, if you're watching this and you're still a pre-enrollee, be sure to activate your membership before Friday at midnight, because with this Powerline, all the enrollees are in a holding tank, and those members who upgrade will be able to hold and secure their spot, which means that all those people who were below you will be emptied out of the Powerline holding tank. And on Friday, they will now be in the spillover position. So you want to make sure that they are spilled over under you, but that won't happen unless you are an active member of Save Club. Now, for those of you, I say become a member now, because if not, your spot in the Powerline matrix will be forfeited, and everyone below you, well, they'll leapfrog ahead of you, leaving you behind, and you'll restart at the very bottom while others pass you by. For those who have become a member, you're going to be so glad you upgraded, because now you'll be at the top of the Powerline, the same spot that you secured. You will now keep it. Thanks for watching. Take action now. Make sure you lock in your spot and start saving and earning with Save Club, and we'll see you inside our group.